In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the Downstream O2 sensor on this Honda Civic. Located on the front of the engine bay on the exhaust manifold. Let's get started. Looking on the front of the engine, you'll see your Downstream O2 sensor right here. This is the plug that it plugs into. You're going to have to press on this tab and pull this connector up to release it. There we go. Now this is part of the O2 sensor wiring. And underneath, there's a tab right here that if you push in, it will allow you to wiggle and remove this connector off of this bracket. There we go. Drop that down. And looking further down, there is the O2 sensor that we need to unthread. To do this, I'm going to use an O2 sensor socket, slide it right over, and turn it until it gets seated. And for me, I'm going to use a 3/8 ratchet. Put some pressure on it, wiggle it, and break it free. A lot of times these are pretty stuck in here, but if you just keep pushing on it, it should eventually break free. Once it's broken free, remove the socket. If you have one of these style sockets, it might be easier to do by hand. It'll allow you to grip it a lot better. There it is. Take the new sensor and slide it into position. Thread it on. There we go. It's bottomed out by hand. I'm going to grab my O2 sensor socket, slide it over, and try to tighten it up some more. Okay, so that's tightened up as far as I can go by hand with the socket. Now I'll put my ratchet on it, and I'll give it about a quarter turn. That should seat that crush washer in there. There's a washer at the base of the threads. That's what's going to create the seal between the exhaust pipe and the sensor, and you just want to squish it a little bit. All right, that's pretty tight right there. Grab that wire and route it back up to this retainer, clip it in, and from the other side, reconnect the vehicle harness. Make sure that clicks, and there you have it, job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.